house in New Orleans. They call the rising sun, and it's been the ruin of many a poor boy. In God, I know I'm one.
In the house of the rising sun.